Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your environment so code runs predictably. Install Xcode or the official Swift toolchain and confirm Swift version. You want a stable compiler. Once done, create a new package with Swift package. In it, type executable to get package structure and package. Swift. Make sure to open the folder in Xcode or VS Code so you can edit sources and tests. This step gives you a reproducible layout and build targets, which saves time when adding libraries or running tests. You now implement core logic by editing sources /target/main. Swift and adding modular. Swift files prefer structs and protocols to keep types clear. Once functions exist, add unit tests under tests/target tests to validate behavior. Tests prevent regressions as you change code. Then modify package. Swift to add dependencies and set exact versions or compatible ranges. This ensures reproducible builds. When done, build and run with Swift build and Swift test locally, so you catch compile or runtime issues early and iterate quickly. You finish by building and running the executable. Swift build then run. Build/debug/executable or use Xcode's play button for an app target. If behavior differs, attach the debugger with LLDB or set Xcode breakpoints. Simple print statements also reveal state quickly. Once stable, increment tests and commit package. Resolve to lock dependencies. If things go wrong, check Swift tools version and package. Swift versus toolchain and delete. Build/then Swift package resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.